How do operating systems use logs to find errors? Imagine your computer as a busy city. Every activity, from opening a file to running a program, leaves a trail. These trails are called logs, and they help the city planners keep everything running smoothly. Operating systems relying on these logs to spot problems before they become big disasters. Think of logs as the system's diary, recording every event, warning, and failure that happens inside your computer. When something goes wrong, the logs are the first place to look for clues. Operating systems generate different kinds of logs. There are system logs that track hardware and core functions, application logs that record what programs do, security logs that monitor access and permissions, and audit logs that keep a detailed record of user actions. Each log entry includes a timestamp, which tells you exactly when an event happened. It also notes the source, like a specific hardware component or software process, and the severity level. Severity levels help prioritize issues. Information logs show normal activity, warnings highlight unexpected but non-critical issues, and errors mark serious problems that need immediate attention. When an error occurs, the operating system writes an entry into the logs describing what went wrong. For example, if your computer tries to read a file but the disk is disconnected, the system logs this failure. Sometimes, the logs include details like which program was running, what error code was generated, or which hardware component was involved. This information helps technicians or automated tools understand whether the problem is temporary or permanent. If the system detects high CPU temperature or low disk space, it logs warnings before these issues cause crashes or slowdowns. This early warning system allows for proactive troubleshooting. Different operating systems have their own ways of managing logs. Unix-like systems use a system called Syslog, which organizes logs into categories and priorities. Windows uses the Event Viewer, which displays logs in a user-friendly format. These tools make it easier to find error entries quickly. When a problem appears, system administrators or troubleshooting tools scan the logs for error messages. They look for patterns, recurring issues, or specific error codes that point to the root cause. This process helps identify whether a failing hard drive, a corrupted file, or a malware attack is behind the problem. Logs also help automate error detection. Monitoring tools can be set up to watch for error level entries and send alerts immediately. If a critical error appears, the system can even trigger automated responses, like restarting a service or freeing up disk space. This keeps the system stable and minimizes downtime. By analyzing logs over time, administrators can spot recurring issues and fix underlying problems, preventing future errors. In short, logs are the operating system's way of keeping a detailed record of its health. They help find errors quickly, understand what caused them, and guide fixes. Without logs, troubleshooting would be like trying to solve a puzzle without all the pieces. They are essential for maintaining a stable, secure, and efficient computer environment.